Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is a video which I was planning to make, but finally I'm making it because it seems like a nice stock for a swing trade, and the stock ticker symbol is CRTX. And why I'm interested, look at the last 6-month chart. At one point it was trading around $110, then last time it was around $59, then it dropped all the way to $14-12 area, and for so long, since end of October, it has been moving sideways. Very high short interest and a nice chart setup. So whenever it gets volume, I think this thing will run. You can see this is a nice area to get in because this is the price for 12 13. This is the price it has been holding for almost 2 months. So that is why I think this is a very good opportunity for entering for a swing trade, and you can always have a stop loss if it goes below a certain threshold. So in this particular video I will talk about the support, resistance, short interest, option chain activity, and few other things. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this particular video. At the same time, I have community, so basically you have to join my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord community for day trading, swing trading, option trading for many different ticker symbol, and CRTX on our swing trading watch list for some long time. No Discord, you are also okay to join my YouTube community just by clicking on the join button. So anyway, let's talk about the ticker symbol. So first of all, the first question should be, before you buy any stock, what happened, why it came from 60 all the way to 12 $13. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time, but if you look at the news on 27th of October, that there is a caveat in its miss that so basically that test result was not good. That was the main thing, right? And it just dropped. And then again some report came from Monthly Fool. They were saying, let's have a look, the two short squeeze candidate that could go parabolic soon. It was December 9th, and now today is January 2nd, and they talked about two ticker symbol, right? So you see, this is the one I'm talking about, CRTX. This is the other one. So anyway, it talks about some things. If you want, just pause and read it if you want to know more about this, but I just want to talk about few other things. Also, let's have a look at Nasdaq. The current rating is buy, and the average price target is 67 with a low of 30 and a high of 96. And the current price is 12.13. In that range, 30 is like almost 2-3 times from this price. So that is why I'm just thinking about having this one to your radar so that you can just make some money in long term. Not saying it will run next day. Yes, when I will share the chart, you will see the chart is shaping up nicely for day traders, but again for swing traders, I think this is also a good opportunity even for option trade lovers. So we will talk about it. So this is the chart, right? So I'm just gonna zoom out. So this is the thing, right? It was here, that was the floor always, 59.60. It was moving, then went up, came down, then the result, boom. Then again, for so long it has been moving sideways. I will come back to the chart. I will talk more about the chart, few other things. Let's have a look first. So in general, this stock does not have a lot of volume. The average volume is only 1.2 million. Last Friday's volume was only 0.7 million. If you look at the volume chart, nothing is happening. The day it dropped, the volume was really high, like almost 29-30 million. And after that, volume is dying, and just because of no volume, this thing is moving sideways. Now over the social media and few other places, now it is getting some kind of attention that okay, it has a very high short interest, it has been consolidating sideways for so long. So that is why I think for swing trading this is a good opportunity to get in now, so that whenever the volume will come, you will not be the last person to know, because you have established your position first. So whenever it will go up, you will have a nice stop loss, and whenever it goes up, you will just make money. That is the whole idea. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just a YouTube video and I'm just a YouTube guy. So do your own research before you buy or sell any particular stock, because this is your money, not my money. Keep that in mind always. And also the option chain activity I will talk. And if you look at Fintel, the current short interest is 45.9%, let's say 46%. The dark pool short interest is 42%. If you go down, let's have a look. There are only 20,000 shares are available to short. Again, like only less shares are available. So let's have a look. And by the way, I have been making many videos today. The voice is down. Check my playlist for other videos. I think next week they might pop. So that's the big thing, 56, then it came down. So for now, let's have a look here, right? This is the range we are talking about. And you see, I have two black lines here. I'm going to adjust the lines here because last Friday the price was different. Yeah. So if you look at the chart, it has been making lower high. At the same time, it has been making higher lows. So few important thing we have to see, can it bounce from here, the black line, go up and break through this black line here and go up towards 14.4. It was rejected 14.4 few times, you can see that, right? So we have to see that. On the other hand, if there is no buying pressure, if the market is terrible, if things are coming down, this thing might break through the black line. It might come back to 12.2. If I just zoom out, you can see that for so long it has been moving in this area. At one point it came to 10.7. So I will just add few more lines for you. So whenever you are entering, if it comes below 10.7 or comes to 10.5, just get out, or you can just wait for a dip buy. But I'm just gonna add few lines here. So 11.6, you see a bounce here, right? One bounce here, one bounce here, and also some area around 12.2. So last Friday, last trading day, it has been coming down. Now if you want, you can wait for this to come around 12.2, or you can wait for this thing to come at 11.6. It all depends if it comes down, or if you really believe this thing will go higher, you can add some position as it dips down. Maybe you add 1/3 of your position at 12.2, another 1/3 of position maybe around 11.5, or maybe around $11, let's say, and just keep some cash. Do not use all your cash. So you can play in many different ways, but I'm just waiting. I haven't established a position. We did some day trading on this one, but for swing trade, I think 12.2 has a nice area of support. We will see if it comes down. Otherwise, it is now at a nice price like 12.6 or something. So this is the chart, and definitely we can talk about the upper side. So 14.4 is one level, then I would say some areas around maybe 16, then we have 18, then there will be some big gap, right? $19, then there will be some big gap up for going upside. It can be a swing trade for some long time, or if there is no volume, you might see more shorts appear. Maybe they increase the short interest even higher from 46, it can go to 80%, who knows? And the price might be at $10, $9, who knows? And then suddenly people will just see, oh, 80% short interest, let's go for a short squeeze, and then you can see a short squeeze. So it's really hard to predict the market, but you need to have a plan, right? So keep that in your watch list. And one other thing, if you want to play with option, this is not very expensive, right? So if you think for an option, let's say for 21st of January, 15 strike price, your bid is $65 for one call option. So by next 21 days, you are thinking it will go to 16 point something. The current price is at 13, and the implied volatility is really high, 115%. You can do few other things. You can just choose a strike price, let's say July of this year, and take something like $20, $22, spend $200. So if you think by next like 195 days it will go back to 20, if there is volume, yes, why not? Why it can go to 20, because you can see after the drop it bounced and it went back to 17.8, and then yeah, just make some money. So anyway, whenever there's a large drop, it bounced, then with time it comes down. So it also goes back to my previous video today, BBIO, big drop bouncing up, maybe it will come down, who knows? Same thing, ALLK, this type of stock we make money, right? I have been making videos, and also like over the Discord we talk. Whenever something goes like 70-80%, we target those because we know it will drop a lot, then there will be a bounce. See the same pattern, a big drop, then a bounce, then coming down or moving sideways. So BBIOL, ALLK, CRTX, they might have almost the same thing. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. Are you bullish on this particular one? Are you planning to establish a position, or you want a better price? Also, if I presented something wrong, let me know. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe my channel, and finally join my community so that we can all make some money. You get some alert in the morning during market hours, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.